In Jeff Davis Parish tonight, the community is a huge step closer to a long-awaited new animal shelter.
And as reporter Hallie Jefferson explains, there's now a deal in place with a design team for this new facility.
Jeff Davis Parish has contracted with Beazley and Longo shelter design for the architecture and design of a parish-wide animal shelter. The police jury approved the contract at Wednesday night's meeting. Jury President Steve Eastman says they will be using American Rescue Plan funds for the shelter. He says the parish is contracted with DCMC consultants for the use of the funds, and they put together a package to move forward with the project. Requests for qualifications were sent to various companies twice, with the second time garnering multiple submissions.
We took their submittals, which was a statement of qualifications, and looked at them individually. We had a scoring matrix, and the proposal committee reviewed them, checked off the boxes, and we looked at it, and in our minds, they were the best qualified candidates that submitted it.
Eastman says the company has an idea of what the parish wants for the design and architecture.
We're thinking between 70 and 100 pens for the animals. Depending on how the numbers come back, we can maybe shrink that or enlarge it. We just don't know yet until they put the final, not the final touches, but as they begin to draw it and get those numbers in place.
As for the timeline for the shelter, Eastman says they're hoping to have the design element done by the end of the year.
This is a long, tedious process, and we're working our way through it as fast as we can. This is going to be a great help for the communities in Jeff Davis Parish, and hopefully remove some of the strays out of the rural areas.
And as for the possible location of the new animal shelter, Eastman says they're considering a couple different locations, one being the current Jeff Davis Parish Jail.